Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and this is a little yarn unboxing. It's not a massive yarn unboxing. Oops, here is box. And the silly thing is, this yarn supplier comes from the town where I was living, where my house was, up the road. And some time ago when I messaged them about buying some yarn and reviewing it, asked if I could collect it, but I couldn't. So they had to post it, which really is silly because it's around the corner from my old house. So, well, I believe it is. But anyway, let's unbox this. It's called the Knitting Network, and I have no idea if they know who I am and whether they know that I have a YouTube channel or anything. Probably not, but we shall see what they're all about. So here we go. Now this is a yarn pack. Now they're not in their individual packs, don't think. They're all separate, so without the picture of what they look like as a whole, but there's this colour here that is not part of the pack because it's red, but it's a yarn that I haven't seen for many years, since I was a child, called Emu yarn. And I can remember using Emu, but they were 50-gram balls and 25-gram balls. Back in those days, 100-gram ball was huge to us, and most balls were like 25 grams or 50-gram balls. It's amazing really to think back, but an Emu was one of the brands that we used to use. It's lovely and soft. This is really, really nice. Oh, I forgot this little guy. Here we go. Let's put this on. Wow, it's so hot, guys. Honestly, unbearable. Really is. So this is classic DK 100 grams, and upside down. Wouldn't be me, would it, if it was up the right way? This colour number is 134, navy. And wow, Emu yarns. There we go. Now I'm not sure if they have actually purchased Emu yarns, because the yarn band says their address on it, which is kind of odd. But this is a colour pack, and we've got light blue and dark blue, and oopsie, there was a cream colour as well. So I'm moving on too fast. Let's see what this colour's called. 109. So funny enough, it's only around the corner. It's bizarre. So this is approximately 282 meters or 308 yards, 100% premium acrylic. So yeah, it's very, very nice. Let's see, does it machine wash? Yeah, machine washable at 40 degrees. That isn't bad, is it? So these are all DK weights, and this is a creamy colour. So the only difference will be the actual number, which is 102. Cream. So what? That one did have baby blue, navy and cream. This is part of the same colour pack. Lovely and soft. You know, sometimes when you pick up a premium acrylic, it feels ridiculously soft. This feels lovely and soft, but I don't know, it is nice. It's beautiful stuff. I am pleased with it. It's actually, it feels lovely, really lovely and soft. And it feels all very even textured, you know. It doesn't look like some are thinner than others. It's got quite a lot of yarn in there actually. So yeah, I got 2 of the darker, 2 of the cream, and I think there should be another baby blue one. There we go. So I think I've got 2 colour packs. Now I do have a red, because I think I got another colour pack, or I might have just chosen some. Oh, this is lovely and soft. You know, some colours always feel softer than others, don't they? Bit of a strange phenomenon, but this is called Pepper Red. It is a really nice bright red, and the number is 119. I really like this. This is beautiful. Beautiful yarn. You could really make something nice with this. So what's that? I have a free sample. Free sample and a Emu sticker. Let's have a look. Isn't that cute? This is the kind of size balls that we used to work with when I was young. Can you imagine it? You know, you start, you finish. 25 grams. Oh, isn't that sweet? This is called Lapis. Lapis. I thought I had some Lapis. I did buy Lapis. I think it was part of the colour pack. Isn't that cute though? Such a sweet little ball. Yeah, this is Lapis 135. Oh, it is lovely and soft. It's dreamy. So all of these colours, this is what I wanted, was all these different blues. And there's a white and a cream as part of the colour pack. It would have been nice that when they were shown as a colour pack, if they'd have been sent like that, because they were in a nice triangle in a little cellophane. That would have been nice if they'd arrived like that, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. So the white is just called white, and it's number 101. So there's a few of those. I think I might have extra Lapis. Yeah, I've got 3 of those. Probably because I liked it so much, I've got extra. I'm like just stacking it up there. We've seen that. Did I tell you the number of the Lapis? I'm not sure if I did. Just got to keep my eye on the phone. 135, I think I did. Because obviously I need to pick my cup at some point. Now, I did buy a few other colours. So I got this lovely orange. And I just wanted some solid colours. Because everything I've been buying recently has been variegated. And I thought it'd be nice to have some. I did buy some pastels and some kind of rainbow colours. But mostly these are not rainbow. They're just the blues. And I think this was another colour pack actually. Can't remember what it was called. There's a bill, I'll find it. This is called Pumpkin. And the number is 115. So this is the Knitting Network. And I guess they're going to be my my competition, aren't they? When I'm set up with Hobby Rocks. This is a lovely kind of vibrant green. It doesn't look as bright in real life. It's more of a what to say really. It's called Herbie. It's kind of cute, isn't it, as a name? 146. But that's the colour. If I bring it right back, you can see it. It's unusual. I like it. I like that colour. And then I got a yellow, which is very, very bright. Very bright. Called Lemon. 149. Lemon. Wouldn't say it's lemon. That's not lemon to me. And I've got a purple. My paper fell on the floor. And I like the purple. It's a nice colour. Nice and bright. It's really a pretty colour. I like that. And it's called Thistle. Number 133. All of the dimensions are the same. That's why I'm not telling you, because they are identical. So I did buy a variegated. I wanted to try this Woolcraft with Love double knitting. And it is just a pastel shade kind of variegated. There's a lot of these around, I know, but I just wanted to give this Woolcraft with Love a try. Seen it before. So this is machine washable to 40 degrees as well, 100% acrylic, 300 meters, and it feels just as soft in a way. Let me feel it in comparison. This is just slightly softer, but it is lovely and soft anyway. And I did buy a few. I got 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's in the bottom here? There we go. There's all the gubbins. But it was emu. I have used yarn called emu when I was a child. Excuse me guys, this is a necessity. I'm going to move the box out of the way. Hopefully the fan can reach me. Need the fan. Big time. So hot. Unbelievable. Okay, so yeah, I used emu yarn a lot when I was young. And like Peter Pan and Wendy got bought out, I've got a feeling emu have. Because I don't think it's just something that they've invented. Ooh, so what was I looking for? No, it just shows them individually. It doesn't show them as a pack. It doesn't tell me what the pack's called. That's a bit of a shame. Just list them all as their individuals. So They were the Emu Classic DK, all of the shades, every single one was £1.58 per ball. £1.58 for premium acrylic, beautiful, soft, machine washable, lovely yarn. Can't really grumble, can you? Can't grumble at that. So where is that? Well, there we go. £1.99. So this is more expensive, which you wouldn't expect, because this is the acrylic. That's the premium acrylic. I would expect that to be more expensive, but I guess because it's variegated, maybe, I don't know. But this is £1.99 per ball, so it's not exactly expensive. So all in all, pretty good, and a little free sample, which I guess would have been, well, I suppose better if it was a colour that I didn't buy, but no, it's kind of cute, isn't it? I remember these tiny little balls making baby clothes with my mum many years ago. So there, that's it. That's what I bought, and I'm sure this brand has been around before. I remember the symbol and I remember the name, Emu. But if I look at the yarn band, that address is kind of round the corner from my old house, which does seem very, very strange. Never mind. Lovely. Gonna have fun. Oh, I'm putting it too close to my water, which is condensation is going crazy. So that's all I've got. But isn't it lovely? I really am pleased with that. I love those blues. That's what I wanted it for, to buy the blues. That blue colour pack. I got 2 of them, so it just caught my eye. So let me see. There's not anything that shows you them. That's just plants. Got a thank you card. But I was hoping that maybe they'd show you what the colour packs look like. But I'd have to go to the website, I guess. Well, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I shan't have too many yarn hauls coming up. I have one more coming up for a Deramores, but I'm going to try and stop buying some yarn for a little while, because pretty soon I'll be buying it to stock, which seems silly to be buying it at full prices if I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to try not to buy unnecessary amounts of yarn. I have lots of yarn. I really do need to start using it. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.